Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Talk Guy. So today we're gonna cover how you can connect your domain to your Shopify account, particularly your domain in GoDaddy. So in your Shopify account, open settings, go to domains, and then here you can either buy or connect a domain. So you can click here, connect existing domain, and then just type the domain that you want to enter. So let's say this one. So it has to be a legit domain. But since we won't be having a legit domain, what we can do here is I can show you the step-by-step process through a document. So here, what you want to do is go to GoDaddy. If you have a domain already, enter that here and then click on next. And then afterwards, go to GoDaddy, go to domain portfolio, head over to DNS, and then click add new record. On top, click add new record, and then type in these values. So you see here, type cname value shops.myshopify.com. For the TTL, leave it on default, and then just click add new record. Afterwards, you want to go and change the A record. So these are the values. Name is at, and then the value, type these in 23.227.38.65, and then click save. Now, if you have done this correctly, you will now be able to connect your domain, your GoDaddy domain with Shopify. And that's it. Hopefully, I was able to help you out with in connecting your GoDaddy domain with your Shopify account. If I did, please do not forget to, of course, hit the likes and, of course, the subscribe button. Follow us for more videos regarding technology only here on Tech Help Guy.